Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 S-Line S-Tronic. It comes dressed in the stunning Daytona grey, shorter turn heads when on the road, and with 18-inch alloy wheels and a 5-arm dynamic design, making a bold statement on the road. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stunning leather upholstery with the centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. Car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on those long journeys. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the 2-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.